Dear communications person, are you dreading your next media or social media blog post? Do you feel that nagging, creeping sensation that maybe there isn't really anything new to say about your company, product, or service? Welcome to burnout. It's not fun. Most of my clients, business owners, communication directors, marketing managers, are like air traffic controllers. Everyone is busy doing their roles, communicating with customers, communicating up and down the line, and really that's about all there's time for. So the idea of creating a video podcast is crazy, right? It's hard enough to keep up with it all, and it's easy to get caught up with what used to work. Press releases, brochures, webinars, conferences, but the world is changing. So you know your strategy probably needs to change as well. If that's you, what do we do? Testimonials, staff perspectives, customers, members reflecting on their experiences. Can we use any of that? Yeah, there's gold there indeed to be found. Of course, this can introduce some new complexities, right? You might think, Ernesto, you're asking for people who aren't perhaps as experienced and polished to communicate on camera? That's a problem. That's not a problem. That's an opportunity to reinforce your company's values with your most important assets, your employees, your customers, your members. Ernesto, all right, what about video capturing? That requires lights, cameras, action. That's a problem, right? No, that's not a problem. That's an opportunity to develop a nimble recording process and level up your marketing team's expertise. Wait a minute, Ernesto. You have to edit it, shape it, get it to broadcast quality, title it, script it, tag it, upload it, market it. That sounds like a lot. But again, it's really not a problem. It's an opportunity to organize systematic communication capturing and publishing process. What I'm talking about is a perspective change. Video is more likely to be seen, shared, and digested. It's easier to consume. Your message is easier to convey, and it increases your chance of being discovered by a wider audience. Let's just aim to increase the volume of content without increasing your workload. Yeah. To do that, you need a video communication practice, a disciplined video content creation process that improves over time. We can help improve some of those edges and adjust that learning curve. You can do this, we can do this. Let's get through the noise together. Are you ready to transform your marketing strategy? Let's start today. First step, subscribe.